Hey everyone, Corvus here. Welcome to this video, which I will do an unboxing of the Triumph of Saint Katherine set. First of all, if you're interested in buying this set at a good discount, I think at the moment it's priced 15% off retail price. You can follow the link in the description. It will bring you to the website of Element Games. Great web store with great service and also great discounts. So please check it out. Also, if you want to buy anything like painting supplies or other sets, please go to Element Games using the link in the description. Help the channel also with that. So that being said, let's have a look at this this box first. I think I mentioned it in my previous update video. I'm not really a fan of the box itself because there's a bit too much black here around the edges, in my opinion. If you take a look at the black coach, for example, it's also a big set and it's also oriented differently. So with the, and this is, yeah, just giving another feeling, I think, to the box art. There's much more room filled in here than to this one. They could have really scaled it up a bit, but this appears now a bit small, to my opinion. But the back of the box, you also have this detailing around the sides, which is pretty nice. And the other one you can see, yeah, what do you call it? A coffin or something that they're carrying the saint in, or the remains of the saint, I think it is. And here it says Sacred Procession of the Fallen Saint. Skeleton of Saint Katherine, here it says it, yeah. So it's indeed the remains, the skeleton there. So it's really suspended on these chains, which are carried by these two, yes, cherubs you call them. These small angels. I especially like this shot here, this detailed shot, angled a bit to have a good look on the remains of the Saint Katherine. Also like this, the top view. This is the top view of the base, and they'll probably go a lot of painting work into this one. I'm really curious how this will be in the box. I think it's going to be one piece, most probably. It's glued on top of a regular oval base, but we'll see when we open that. And then what I also like is this these characters, which all have a description underneath them. So, for example, this pepperoni pizza, like they call it on the internet here, you can see it. These are actually rose petals. It says here, petals of the bloody rose. This banner also, which is around the back, pretty nice detail there. So yeah, pretty detailed set, a lot of stuff going on. Really looking forward on putting this one together. Now this, like the black coach, also had some had this double box principle. So the outside is basically just a sleeve. And the other thing, with usually some added artwork, which is in here. Come on. Yep. To remove it like this. But yeah, is this? Yeah, it's probably related. I don't know if it's related to the army or related to especially this set, but this artwork is definitely related, at least to the Adepta Sororitas. Maybe even to the set. With the black coach, you have the insert here. There's additional artwork here on the front, and then on the back you have the this kind of story here on the back, but that's not the case with this box. So let's go to the essential part, the sprues. This again opens like this, and there is a tray here with the sprues and the instructions. So these are the instructions. It's quite a booklet. It is with the multi-language rules, of course. There's no page numbers here, but 8 steps of assembly. First, start assembling the skeleton, the remains here. As you can see, And then start assembling each of the characters here. And I think I'm going to leave them all separate while painting them. That's going to be the most logical thing. And then this base seems to be one big part, yeah. And then start gluing the characters on there. There's another detail here which is not attached already. And I'm thinking, this is still, I was thinking that this is some kind of suspended, really suspended from the sheriffs, but it's not the case. There are two bits here at the bottom which go into the slot into the base. More characters, and then the work on the sheriff starts. And you end up with this thing. Yeah. And then the stats. I am not a 40k player, so I'm not really into the stats, but in case you're wondering. Good. So, sprues, we got one double one big one, and then a single one. Let's put the box aside. Let's have a look at the small one first. Let's put this here. So this is basically the part of the remains. There's not really, it's really a mix of parts here. They really did a very good job to fit it all. If you can see how full this especially the left part is, how full these sprues are once again. This is especially obviously the construction that remains are laying on. I guess this is the pepperoni pizza they're talking about. You can clearly see that these are roses. I guess it's that one. So, and the paint job, it really looks like these small discs. But around the sprue, when I see it on the sprue, I don't know. Let me try to. As you can see, it's really roses which are on there. Okay. And this is also part of the construction of the, what you call it, the bed, I would say, the bed that the remains are laying on. Pretty cool. And then of course the eye catcher of this sprue is this base, which is incredibly crisp. This is really, whoa, the crispness of this texture here. This is razor sharp. This is, yeah, this is crazy. Every time GW with their plastics, they're raising the bar again and again and again. And I think they did it once again here. As you can see, the crispness of this, it's really well done. And this is the slots where this piece of stone come in, and then you see here the characters go, and this is where the bed with the remains rests on. And then for the rest, this sprue is filled with many small bits to build the characters, to build the sheriffs. Also these wings, which were on the other sprue as well. We get that in focus, so not going to be easy, but they're also very crisp, very well done. Yeah, and especially this long banner, also like it a lot. Now this is the banner that they're carrying in the back. Also a lot of detail on this one. Cool, very cool. I would like to end this video with focus. Thank you. Would like to end this video saying that there will be, not really sure I will call it, I think about a project diary or some sort. Anyway, give you regular updates on the painting process, and first of all the assembly process of this set, to show you on for example on a weekly basis the process that I made, is talk you through the thing that I did with the black coach a couple of videos ago, where I give you some tips on how I approach certain things, because this is not the kind of kit you assemble and then start painting. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider becoming a subscriber if you haven't done so already. Also press the like button if you like this video, really helps out the channel. And see you in the next video. Bye.